Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Please, have a look at these sentences. A chef in a kitchen speaking to the subordinates. Chop the onions. Mix the flour with eggs. A fitness instructor leading a class. Run in place. Stretch your arms. A parent talking to a child. Please clean your room. A sign on a door. Do not enter. A friend pointing down a street. Turn left at the light and then go straight. Did you catch what all those sentences had in common? They were all giving a command, an instruction, or making a request. In English, we have a special grammar mood for this, and it's called the imperative. And I promise, it's one of the easiest and most useful grammar points you'll ever learn. So today we're going to master the imperative mood together. So, let's break it down. How do we form an imperative sentence? It's incredibly simple. Rule number 1. Use the base form of the verb. That's the simplest form you find in the dictionary. No to, no es, no ing. Just the verb. Examples. To take. Take a seat. To listen. Listen carefully. To do. Do your laundry. To eat. Eat faster. To give. Give me some space. Let's look at the verb to be. It's a little different. We don't say are quiet or is quiet. We just use the base form be. Examples: be quiet, be kind to others, be here tomorrow afternoon, be ready, be prepared. Now you might be wondering, where is the subject? This is the magic part. In an imperative sentence, the subject is always the invisible you. We don't say, you take a seat. We just say, take a seat. The you is understood by everyone. It's like a secret ghost subject. Okay, so what if you want to tell someone not to do something? How do we make a negative imperative? Even easier. You just add do not, or its contraction don't before the verb. The structure is don't plus base verb. Examples: don't smoke here. Do not run in the halls. Don't be silly. Again using be. Do not rely on pure luck. Do not touch this. Don't swim here. But sometimes commands can sound a bit strong. How do we soften them? We use the magic word please. You can put it at the beginning or at the end of the sentence. Examples: close the door. Please close the door. Close the door, please. Have you noticed? Please close the door is a polite request, while close the door is more of a direct command. Simple, right? Now that we know how to make them, let's talk about when we use them. Imperatives are everywhere. First, giving instructions. Think of a recipe, a manual, or a tutorial. Imagine someone following a recipe or assemble furniture. Mix the flour and eggs, bake for 30 minutes. Place this handle as it's shown and attach firmly. Second, giving orders or commands. This is often used by people in authority or in emergencies. A teacher in a classroom. Open your books to page 54. Stop chattering or stop talking. Third, making requests. This is where our friend please comes in. Someone at a dinner table. Please pass the salt. Fourth, giving advice or warnings. You're telling someone what they should or shouldn't do for their own good. A wet floor sign. Be careful. The floor is wet. And fifth, offering something invitingly. This is a friendly, positive use of the imperative. Have a seat. Try some of this cake, it's delicious. All right, let's practice. I'm going to give you some situations, and I want you to think of the imperative sentence you would use. I'll give you a moment to think, and then I'll give you the answer. Scenario 1. Your friend is about to touch a hot pan on the stove. What do you shout? Don't touch that. Or careful. It's hot. Perfect. A negative imperative for a warning. Scenario 2. You want to ask your roommate to help you move a heavy table. Be polite. Please help me with this table. Or, help me with this, please. Excellent, you remembered please. One more. Scenario 3. You are a tour guide and you want your group to look at a famous statue. Look at that beautiful statue. Great job. A positive imperative to give direction. Now, for a real challenge. Look at this short paragraph. How many imperative sentences can you find? Tell me in the comments. Recipe. To make pasta, first boil some water. Then add a pinch of salt. Put the pasta in the water and cook for 10 minutes. Don't forget to stir occasionally. Finally, enjoy your meal. Before we finish, let's look at a few special cases. Remember I said the subject you is always invisible? Well, sometimes we break that rule for emphasis, especially when we're angry or need to be very direct. You, be quiet, an angry parent. Somebody call a doctor in an emergency. And what if you want to give a command that includes yourself? For that we use let's, which is short for let us. Let's go to the park. I am suggesting that we go. Let's not argue, the negative form. Fantastic job today. Let's do a super quick recap. To use the imperative, 1. Use the base verb, open, be, listen. 2. The subject you is a ghost, it's invisible. 3. For negatives, use don't. Don't go, don't be late. 4. To be polite, add please. You use it for instructions, commands, requests, and advice. It's practical, powerful, and simple. If this lesson was helpful, please hit the like button. It really helps the channel. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our next lesson. And finally, let me know in the comments, what is one imperative you hear or use very often? Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.